In this video, we'll be talking about bodily injury limits, and the question is, do insurance companies always tell you the coverage limits involved? Oftentimes, the insurance company, especially in an uninsured motorist case, won't tell you the coverage limits without hiring a lawyer and filing a lawsuit. When there is a car accident, a lawyer first needs to know whether the at-fault driver carries bodily injury coverage. Without this coverage, the at-fault driver becomes an uninsured motorist. In the state of Colorado, everyone is required to carry $25,000 in bodily injury coverage. However, some people end up not being able to pay their premiums or their insurance gets canceled. When this happens, these drivers are considered to be uninsured. What happens if an uninsured driver hits you and is at fault? If you are injured by an uninsured driver, you have no real recourse except to fall back on your own uninsured motorist coverage if you so happen to purchase that coverage. In Colorado, the at-fault driver's insurance company will not reveal their bodily injury limits unless a lawsuit is filed. This unfortunately favors the insurance companies, as the plaintiff's attorneys and the injured victims rightfully want to know how much insurance is carried by the at-fault driver. This is not the case in other states, such as Florida. Florida rightfully requires the at-fault driver's insurance company to reveal the limits of bodily injury coverage when requested to do so. This should be the law in Colorado and every state, as it lets the injured victim know if there will be enough coverage available to cover their medical bills, pain and suffering, and other expenses. A lot of insurance companies will tell you right away if their policy is only a $25,000 policy, but they can choose to hide the fact that there may be more money available. This only encourages litigation, as an injured victim in Colorado can only find out bodily injury limits by filing a lawsuit and going through a discovery process. For more information, to read this article in full, or to speak to a personal injury lawyer for free, visit coloradoinjury.pro.